Hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to my shop. In this video I'm going to be making a sanding disc for my lathe. Check it out. For the circles I'm going to be cutting a piece of 1/2 inch plywood to about 11.5 inches square. And I'm going to cut 2 pieces. For this sanding disc I'm going to use 3 pieces of plywood. The 2 pieces of 1/2 inch and 1 piece of 3/4 inch. It's going to make it a little bit stronger and give me room to put the screws in the back when I mount the faceplate. I already have my table saw set up for squaring this piece. I have my 3 pieces of plywood and I'm going to mark the center on each one. And I'm going to just drill right through with a 1/8 inch bit. I put a sacrificial board on my table so I don't cut through the table with the router. And on the boards I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the back side and stick it down. Then I'm going to put some screws on the outside edge, just to hold everything into place. On my router jig, circle cutting jig, I've made an 1/8 inch pin on the screw so that I can just set it into place and pivot it. Now for the second one.
Clean up that hole.
Two round circles. I'm going to glue the two circles together, and I'm going to use the bit to center them. That should do it. I'm just going to let it set. I'm going to turn a dowel down to size to fit inside the hole of the faceplate. Then I'm going to drill a center hole in here, which will line up with the drill bit. and I can attach the plate to this small plate and then attach everything to the bigger plate. Now I'm going to put it all together. Okay, I let this set overnight. I'm going to take the clamps off and remove the faceplate and the plug. Okay, I'm going to put it on the lathe and see how it looks. it goes. Just got a little bit of a wobble. Okay, so I set this up so that I can just take a little bit off and true it up. That's running better. I'm just going to run some sandpaper on the face. Looks good. I'm just going to spray some spray adhesive on it and stick the sandpaper on. I'm just using 100 grit sandpaper right now. I'm going to let that tack up and then I'm going to apply the paper. Okay, so I let that tack up, now I'm going to just stick this paper to the disc and then trim it off. And there it is. When I want to remove the paper, all I need to do is use a heat gun and apply some heat and peel it off. And there it is, it's all done. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Please click on the like and subscribe because I'll be doing more videos in the future. Take care.